C in 100 seconds, while loops. Alright, so C has two kinds of while loops, and they behave a little differently. The regular while loop checks the condition before running anything. So if I starts at 1, and we say while I is 5 or less, it'll keep going, printing and adding 1 each time through. The moment I hit 6, that condition is false, and we drop out of the loop. Now do while flips this around. It runs the body first, and checks the condition after. That means it's guaranteed to run at least once, even if the condition was never true to begin with. We're counting down from 10, and it keeps going as long as j is 8 or more. And there it is, 1 through 5 going up, 10, 9, 8, coming back down. Next, for loops.